Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see this problem, convert an array into a 2D array with conditions. This problem was there in today's contest. Let's read the problem statement. We are given an integer array nums and we need to create a 2D array from nums that's satisfying the following conditions. The conditions are the 2D array should contain only the elements of the array. That is perfectly fine. Each row in the 2D array contains distinct element. That's perfectly fine. The number of rows in the 2D array should be minimal. Okay, cool. And we have to return the resulting array. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. Note, the 2D array can have this different number of elements on each row. So let's see the test case to understand it, what it said. So let's take this example. In this example, we have to create a 2D array. So what we can do, we can create this way. Like in this sub vector, we have all the different elements 1, 3, 4, 2, and in this also and this also. So similarly for this example, there are all the 4 different elements. So we can keep it in one array and this will be our answer. But how can we do that? So for this, we need one data structure, that is map. We will keep track of that. Okay. So what we will do now, let's take this example. We have one map MP. Okay. So let's here go this. We will start reversing from first. Let's take one. One is not there in the map. So we'll have one and corresponding frequency of one is one. Okay. Now one is the first occurrence. So it means that there must be a one vector. That this is the 2D subarray. Let's assume this is the 2D subarray. So there will be it will be pushed in first vector. First vector will be this. Okay. So we will take the occurrence of this vector. Fine. So that occurrence will be here 1. And we will check the size of this vector initially. This vector is less than occurrence or not. So currently this vector is empty. So this is the vector, answer vector. Okay. This is empty. It has nothing. So we'll check this condition. If it is nothing, then we have to push. We have to create one vector with this element, and then we have to push that vector in this answer vector. Okay. So here what we have, answer will be, yeah, this will be the vector. Okay. So now 3 is there. So we will push in the map. And now also occurrence is 1. And we will check the size of this vector is less than 1 or not. But it is not less than 1. Means it has one vector already there. So we can push this element 3 in that vector directly. So what we will do? Answer of occurrence -1. Why -1? Because we are using index, 0 waste index. And here we are having 1 waste index. So then dot push back this element 3. So this will have 3 now. Okay. Now we have 4. Similar for 4, 4 have 1, then we will push to this vector. So here it will have 4 also. Then we have 1 again. So now the frequency will be 2. This will be updated. Now occurrence will be 2 here. So, and now we will check if the length of this vector is less than occurrence or not. Now we will see the length of this vector is 1 and it is less than 2. So we have to create a new vector. We will create a new vector and push here. So 1 will be here. Now we have 2. So we'll check. We will push in the map 1. Now occurrence is 1. We have 1. We have length greater than 1. So we will directly push here. Okay. 2. Now we have 3 again. But we have already 3. So here it will be 2. Occurrence will be 2. And we have length not less than 2. So we will push this here. Now we have 1 again. This will be 3. Occurrence will be 3 here. And we will check again if the length of answer vector is less than occurrence or not. Here it is less than because the length of this vector is 2 now. So we need one more vector here. We'll create one more vector and push it here. This way. That will be the answer. Okay. Hope you understand this. And let's try to understand with the code so that you can understand better. So initially we declared our map as we discussed, and we need one vector, the answer vector, 2D vector. Okay. We will start reversing from first, and we will push in the map. Then we will take the index. This is not the index, this is the occurrence basically. But we are using as index because we have to push in the answer vector. Okay. And then we will check the size of answer. The size of answer vector is less than index or not. If it is less than, then we need to create a new vector. So we'll create a new vector. We will push the element, and then we will push this vector, newly created vector, in the answer vector. Otherwise, we will directly access the previously created vector and push element in that vector only. This is the case. Hope you understand this video. This is very simple. Let's run this code. Yeah, it's fine. Let's submit. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Hope you like this video. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.